Types of classification and variables. Types of classification of data. There are different ways to classify data. Chronological classification. In this classification, the data is classified in ascending or descending order with reference to time like months, years, weeks, quarters, etc. Spatial classification. In this classification, the data is classified with reference to geographical locations like countries, states, cities, districts, etc. For example, yields of wheat in different countries. Qualitative classification. At times, we cannot express the features quantitatively. Such features are called as attributes or qualities, like nationality, literacy, gender, marital status, etc. These attributes can be classified either on the basis of presence or absence of qualities. Such classification of data, which is done on the basis of attributes, is called as qualitative classification. Quantitative classification. This is the second stage of classification, which is based on the presence or absence of another attribute which are in nature. When collected data of such features is grouped into classes, it becomes quantitative classification. Variables. In the previous chapter, we have learnt the definition of variables. Variable is the value that keeps on changing. But that definition does not explain how it varies. Variables varies on the basis of different criterion. Types of variables. The variables can be classified into two categories: discrete variable, continuous variable. Discrete variable. A discrete variable can take only certain values. It jumps from one value to another, but it does not take fractional value, which is between two numbers or in between value. For example, like a number of students in the class will assume values that are whole numbers. It won't take fractional value like 28.5 between 28 and 29. Continuous variable. A continuous variable can take any value, whether it is fractional value, whole numbers, integers, value that are not exact fractions. The examples of continuous variables are weight, height, time, and distance, etc. For example, height of student as he grows would take all the values between 80 cm to 163 cm. It will take all values in between these numbers.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.